If you look back at this challenge I'm doing, this ab challenge for women, then you're gonna see that I'm always changing up the exercises and they're all different. I'm Sarah with Sarah Marie Fitness, and today I'm taking you through another day in this 30-day ab challenge to transform my midsection because I wanted to change things up a bit. I wasn't happy with how my midsection looked, and so I decided to change it. And I thought that other people would want to as well. So I'm posting these videos to help you out as well as me. For today's challenge, you're gonna need an ab wheel and a fitness mat and something sturdy to hold your feet to give you a place to put some pressure. Everyone knows how to do a basic ab wheel rollout. You stick your feet against something, you roll out, you roll back in. Guess what? We're not doing that today. I'm kind of tired of the same ab wheel exercises over and over again, so today we're going to do some different ones. We're going to do a roll in where you touch your toes, your feet stay stationary, and you're going to do a pike with the ab wheel in your hands. And we're going to do 15 of those. I know it's a basic exercise. We're going to do rollouts to the left 15 and then to the right 15 because I just like the way that it makes my obliques feel here on my hips after I'm finished. So we've got 15 of those on each side. For our third exercise, we are going to do crunches with the ab wheel. We're going to do 3 sets of everything, so that's, let's see, 30 and 60 exercises 3 times over, 90 exercises. Your abs should hurt after this. We're gonna start this workout on our hands and toes, well, on our ab wheel and toes in plank position. And I'm not doing it on my mat because there's too much resistance and the mat starts to wad up and get all bunchy. We're gonna head into plank, and we're gonna get into plank position on our toes, and we're gonna pull the wheel in as we stand up a little bit. That's 1, 2. There's not a whole lot of room for a lot of movement here. 5. Because honestly, this is hard. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna take a little breather. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Oh. Now I'm going to pull my mat over because I'll be down on my knees. It'll also make it easier to move out. The mat won't be all bunching up on me. So I'm going to go off to my left first. 1, 15 times. 2, 3, 4, make sure you come back to center. 5, 6, I felt these the last time we did these for several days afterwards. As much as I like to change up my workout routine, when it works and I feel it for a couple of days, I like to keep revisiting it. That's 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Off to the other side. We're going to roll out to the right now. 1, 2. Try to go out as far as you can, lengthening your body. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Push yourself out as far as you can go. 12, 13, 14, and one more, 15. We're gonna lie down on our backs for our ab wheel crunches. Keep your knees bent. Take your ab wheel and you're gonna lay it out above your head and crunch up with it. You're gonna use your ab wheel to kind of swing your arms a little. 3, 4. It's just a little bit of weight as you're doing your crunches. These are kind of like long arm crunches because we're keeping our arms nice and straight, but you don't have to keep your hands tucked behind your head. 8, 9, but you are going to keep your abdominal muscles pushed towards the floor as you crunch up and lay back down. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Flip it over because we're doing it all again. These pikes are crazy tough. We're gonna try to keep with 15. If you need to take a breather, take a breather. But go out and then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I tell you what, I really want to bump down to 10 right now, but I know that if I don't push myself, I'm never going to see change. So we're going to do 5 more and get our 15 in. Only 5 left of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're gonna flip it over and get our right side first this time instead of our left. So we're gonna go out towards the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. My feet are pushed up against my fireplace. My knees are on my mat. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you like these videos, make sure you comment down below your favorite exercise. If it's one you haven't seen yet that you'd like to see, let me know and I will work it in. 13, as long as I understand what it is. 14, and one more is 15. Now we're gonna lie down for our long arm ab wheel crunches. That's what I'm calling them because they're mine. I created them. Lay back, hands up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. These are slightly easier than long arm crunches. Actually, they're a lot easier than long arm crunches because you're able to use your upper body as momentum, your arms and your ab wheel, upper body as momentum to try to get up. Just try to keep them nice and straight. Keep your arms nice and straight. That's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. One more set. Our last 15 pike roll-ins are coming up. So flip it over and get your mindset ready. We're going to try to hit all 15 of them, okay? We can do them in 3 sets of 5. We'll do 5, we'll take a breather, 5, we'll take a breather, and 5, take a breather, and then that way we will say that we got through all 15 of them. This way you can see how little bit of movement I'm actually getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get down on our knees and take a 5-second breather. so that we can make it through the next set of 5, because these are hard. What's up? Go up again. And in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh. 10 down, 5 to go. Up we go. In 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Those are finished. Those are hard. Off to the left. 1, 2. We're gonna go to the left first this time. 1, 2. I should probably do alternating, but I don't want to do alternating because I like to really burn that one side while I'm working it. That's 5. 6. I find these a whole lot easier than those pikes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tell me what you guys think about those pikes. 12. I hadn't tried them before today. 13, 14, and 15. We're gonna go straight into the right side. 1, no rest for the weary. 2, we only have 1 exercise after this. 3, 4, just crunches, right? They hurt a little bit more after all these exercises, and I will say they're a little bit harder than regular crunches, trying to keep our arms straight out. 8, 9, 10. Like I said, maybe it just hurts more because of all of the other exercises that we've been doing this morning. 12, almost there. 13, 14, and 15. You get to lie down for our last 15. Feet flat on the floor, hands behind your head, holding your ab wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That's it, guys. You did excellent. You're finished with today's ab routine. If you made it through to the end, great job. I'm so proud of you, and you should be proud of you too. Now go get something healthy for your meal. Don't go messing up what you just did in the gym. The hardest part is really just getting it done. And then after that, sticking with a good diet or a good eating plan. It doesn't have to be a particular diet. It just needs to be healthier, make some better choices. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. See you tomorrow.